Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Tractor Supply. So let's dive in. All right, we're going to get started here. We see outside this UTV on sale. We get to save 500 bucks here if you're looking for one of these for the farm. This is a great one to check out. It has the doors right there. Nice setup on that one there. We also have 50% off of these shoes. These are like the muck boot. They're like the smaller, more like clog looking items, but still 50% off of those. So if you want to grab some more summer shoes before everything ends, great thing. 30% off pools. We absolutely love our pools. You can see these. They have the smaller one and then also the larger one right here. So this one is the 13-foot, 11-inch option. So whichever one you might want to grab, great deal right there for that one. We also have the little combo kit here for DeWalt with the blower and trimmer still on sale. And I will let you know that some of these deals do say they're from July, but they're still up at my store. So I'll just kind of show you guys these, maybe still available at yours. We have the Black & Decker trimmer here, 80 bucks. Then also we have another setup right here for DeWalt, also on the string trimmer down to 208. They had a bunch of bar and chain oil on sale, as you can see right here, down to 11 bucks, and they had the other stuff similar to that, so if you need any of those things, you can grab it. They also have the handheld leaf blower here from DeWalt for 200 bucks. And here's from some of the 4-cycle I was talking about. They had a bunch of this kind of on sale, so if you need any of the 4-cycle stuff or the fuel mix, great thing to check out. Also, with mosquitoes still here and going to be here for a while, they had these Dynatraps down to 60 bucks. Great item on that one. I think that's a great deal. Also, just a reminder, I will have links for some of these items down below, and if this video is helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. We also see the little barrel fan. I did not see one of these in the store, but they have it on sale. The chipper shredder from Champion here, 3-inch option on that one, down to 600 bucks. I think it was a couple $100 off. So again, pretty good price and good deal for that one right there. Briggs & Stratton push lawnmower. Going to save 20 bucks, so if you need one, or maybe yours is dying with still plenty of time left for the grass to grow, great thing to check out there. We've seen this on sale for a while now. These are like limb cutters. We have the blade itself right there, 24 bucks. We also, have the lopper part, and then we even have the connector pole here, so you can grab all of those, be able to cut it off and just trim everything up. They have the Auto Gear sprinkler down to 13 bucks. So if you still need the sprinkler, whether for kiddos or for your house, you can see this one. Pretty cool option right there for that. We have 5 bucks right here. Pretty good clearance on that one for some garden soil, little all-purpose garden soil there. And they did also have some organic garden soil a little bit later as well. Roundup here. 30 bucks. If you need to get rid of some stuff, check that one out right there. Then they did have a bunch of different other insect killers. These are just a few I want to show you. You have the Raid, also the mosquito fogger as well. So if you needed some insect killer, check that out. Woodlawn had a lot of their items on sale. You can see a bunch of these from the blades and also just different things like that, little loppers and stuff. So if you want to trim stuff up, check out this brand. I've never heard of this brand or used it before, but pretty good deals. These are all on clearance, trying to move some of these so you can get them, but good prices on those. We also have a little combo kit here for $160, the impact drill kit. And then we even have the angle grinder here down to 65 bucks for DeWalt. And then we also have another angle grinder option here for $190. So again, solid prices on those. DeWalt electronic tank drain kit for $160. So another solid deal to check out there. Then we even have the tool set right here for DeWalt, 134 piece option for $160, and another 49 a piece option there as well for $80. So another solid deal. More DeWalt deals right here. We've seen these for a little while now, so I just want to show you all those. But we have the grease gun, tire inflator, the wrench kit. We even have the charger, the ratchet combo kit here we just saw. and then even the battery pack. So we have all those options still available in store. So if you need any of those, DeWalt's a solid brand. They're going to do a great job. Then we even have the welding machine here, the Lincoln Electric option right there for $444. So again, grab you one of these welders if you need it. Here are a bunch of the clearance items. Just wanted to show you guys a lot of the Porter cable stuff is still being listed and on clearance, so you can snag one of those if you need those, especially if you have Porter cable tools. They have the charger right there, great thing to grab. They also have a bunch of their just power tools. So again, if you are in the Porter cable brand, you can definitely come up here and grab you some great prices on these. Porter cable is more of a DIY option, just remember that. So gonna do a good job, but still the DIY toolkit there. So you see some pretty good deals and other clearance items right here, a little oil filter and different stuff like that. So you can always check and see what they have for clearance at your store. More clearance items. We have the outdoor cleaners, the wet it and forget it mold cleaners right there, and a ton of clearance items right now. I know I'll show you later in the video, there was just clearances going on, especially in the front. So great time to get in there and snag some of these deals. They also have more blades right here. See these right here for 40 bucks. Even the Elk Ridge. They have the like hatchet blade. Had a bunch of alarms, like a doorstop alarm, ones for windows or doors, and then also a personal alarm as well, and then even some pepper spray, mace stuff up here. Check those out for 13 bucks. And more on like a throwing axe. See that one right there? Pretty cool. And then also some more blades as well. So a lot of blades on sale, and I'll show you some more of those in a minute. See a couple other options here, the fixed blades option there, and then even the spear. I like that one right there for 38 bucks. They even have the ratchets, little ratchet tie downs here for $25 for a traveler. And they had a bunch of these kind of on sale in different places, so you can check those out. Little smart straps here for 40 bucks. Good prices for those there. And then we also see more setups here for traveler. $20 right there for that one. They had 20% off the aluminum truck boxes. So if you need some of these for your vehicle and you've been wanting to get one, get a little 20% off. They also had a bunch of gun safes on sale. So save 200 bucks right here on this one, 36 gun safe. So you got a lot of options in that one. Had a few of these on sale, and these are also some of the ones I was talking about that said that some of these have ended, but they were still on sale in my store, so I don't know if they are on yours or not. Have the Field and Stream, a little bit larger option here. It's a big safe 40 long gun, and then we even have the longer one, or the larger one down here with a 64 gun safe, 1,000 bucks right there. Great way to protect your guns and any type of investment that you have. They also had a bunch of chicks. They had a ton of these containers full. You can hear them all throughout the store, so I'm just showing you one, but they had a bunch of chicks at my store, so you can check and see if they're still available at yours. They even had 50% off spring decor, candles, and furniture, so they are trying to move this stuff out. The fall is coming in, and they're trying to get everything out of here. So if you wanted any of this decor, any of the spring stuff, they also have the summer stuff on sale. I'll show you in just a second. But all the spring and spring stuff is 50% off, so they're moving that. And they even have some more items right here. So again, trying to move all this stuff out of here. You're gonna have some chairs, 50% off. That's a really good price, really good deal for that one. Little tables here, knee savers, little kneeling pad there. And then also just a bunch of stuff right there. You can see for different random things you want for your house, and again, decorating, stuff like that. Really nice little baskets and stuff. So 50% off. Also, like the summer stuff, you can see some of these, 24 bucks for little koosh ball options there. 30% off summer toys and games. So it's still summertime, but they are trying to move some of this stuff out of here. They also have a lot of hunting stuff coming back in. One of my favorite seasons here, getting into hunting season. So great deals on these, being able to get back out there in the woods. I did want to show you guys a lot of the Halloween stuff starting to come in the store. I'll show you more of those on the other side of this in a minute, but you can see a lot of this kind of fall decor as well, kind of getting shown in here. You can see more options here for some of the summer stuff, putting it on sale, 30% off right there. Getting out of the sun a little bit. They even have a lot of their Christmas deals and like Black Friday deals going up right now. I'll keep you guys updated on these pricing. These the items didn't have any pricing on them right now, but they were getting set up. So you can see a lot of these options and different things right here. So different hand tools and job smart stuff. So they are trying to get everything prepped and ready for the fall. And here's more Halloween decor I was talking about. You can see all these. We're not a huge Halloween decorator at our house, but if you guys are, there's a lot of stuff already popping up there. There'll be more popping up at Home Depot as well. They even have some hydraulic fluid here, 43 bucks. And then we have the Therm Pro. So if you need a little thermometer, I just did a video on that as well, on a different one. And a bunch of other grilling stuff. They have the Mr. Fan here for $105. So a great thing to check out there. The Mr. Fan. 12-inch option right there. Great thing to cool off with. Probably need to snag one of those. And then 100 bucks here, we have the pressure washer kit as well for Greenworks. And now into our favorite section. We have the little just kind of section up front with all the little fun stuff here. We saw right there some wrenches on sale. We have the Stanley here on sale, 15 bucks. More blades, we saw those earlier. A little tire inflator, great thing for that as well. I really like this right here, always, but now it's down to $5 for the dental bit set. I think that's a great little thing. Again, a great gift. So if you want to start planning for Christmas time and start go ahead and getting gifts, great thing to plan out right there. More little impact wrench. More blades like I was talking about, a little knife right there. Have a couple more clearance items. A lot of clearance items, like I said, in this section. Usually you don't get a lot, but this one has a lot in it right now, so great thing to check out. DeWalt blades for the Sawzall there. More cups here for Red Shed. And you got another cup, just like a cup you can put coffee in or keep your drink cold. I like that one. And then we have the fastener set. 10 bucks there for that one. We also have like napkins and stuff like that for the farm. So a great little setup there for that. Tractor Supply buckets. Cool thing right there. I like that one. Pupsicle, you know, just more stuff for the pups. Little nut driver set. I don't think those were on sale. Not a lot of this stuff right here was on sale. But they did have a bunch of these just kind of available. Great things for like DIY stuff. A little conversion kit here. It is on sale for your hose. Little toys for the kiddos. Great things to check out there. Have the bubble gun. I like that for 25 bucks. Bubble blaster. Fun thing for kiddos. More job smart tools. You can check some of these out. Little anchor rings. $6 right there. You know, stuff for chicks. I like these little options here. These are great, especially in Job Smart for like just putting stuff together. I have to use that kind of stuff almost every week. The deep socket sets for Job Smart on sale down to 11 bucks. So get to save a few dollars on that one. So if you're interested, might as well go ahead and snag some of these. Different sizes on those. A little terminal top there. More deep socket sets. Mini air die grinder set. Some clips here. Little D-ring clips. Hex key sets. Other stuff like that. Like I said, it's been pretty cool. Football. I like that one. More toys and a little detailed brush. More knives. Cleaning sets here. Or reading glasses, actually, not cleaning sets. They were replacing everything right here on the front, so I just want to show you that they didn't have those, but she had it all in a basket, so I was able to go and look at these. You can see they had a bunch of flashlights on sale, planting tablets, and a lot of the like outdoor stuff, like kind of getting rid of a lot of that stuff, even some lights I mean, Christmas is not too far away now. Grilling stuff was on sale. More flashlights, great thing for kids. But more stuff like that. Toys and food for your pets. Little aloe plants. Great thing right there. And again, just a ton of these flashlight sets and more lights as well. They even have some snips right there you can see for your garden that were on sale. Some fly traps. So if you have some flies, great thing to check out there. Little raid traps. And then we even have a couple more just tools for outside. Almost $8 or $7.50 right there. Good thing on that one. And then, like I said, we have some more grilling utensils right there. And even these I'm grabbing right here. So more good prices on grilling stuff. I'll show you a bunch of those. We had a bunch of Weber stuff on sale as well. All right, here, I was talking about we have $11. Some of these like Weber stuff to catch, grease pans. You see some of the grilling stuff here. Different grilling tools and utensils. They also have some cleaning stuff, lighter cubes. If you need a lighter cube to get the coals going, great thing there. Had 50% off some gloves, so if you need to select gloves, for working, you can see a lot of these have been picked over, but still good deals and good pricing on those. And like I said, I will have links for some of these items down below. If you're interested, you can check that out. Also, just posted our first merch for DIY Dad, so if you're interested in those, you can check them out down there. We also have some great deals on some clothing right here as well, so you can check out both clothing on these and also the DIY Dad shirt down there. But more clothing deals right here. Wrangler, Columbia, apparel, 30% off of that one. So again, some good pricing and deals on a lot of these. Columbia is a great brand. And here's just another shot of what I was talking about, the Halloween stuff on sale at Tractor Supply. And then lastly, got a couple different little go-karts here. I really like those. My kids would absolutely love these. I might have to look into these at a later date. But there are some great deals going on right now at your local Tractor Supply. A ton of clearance items and a ton of other stuff. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing. And if this video is helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.